everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my Powerhouse Breakfast. This is literally what I eat on most days for breakfast, and it really serves me well. Now first I start with my own green juice. Now this is not considered my meal, this is considered a supplement to me. And it's about 6 ounces of fresh juice that I make, and it's mostly carrots and kale. Then we move on to my Powerhouse Oatmeal. Here I have a half a cup of rolled oats, and sometimes I bump this down to a third of a cup if I don't feel quite as hungry, but usually I go with a half a cup. And then I add some beans to it. These are Great Northern beans, and that's a fourth of a cup of Great Northern beans. And I know that sounds really weird, but when I first put this together, I wanted this to be a powerhouse, a protein-filled breakfast, and that helps to do that. And then I have some blueberries. Now I buy frozen blueberries, and those are straight out of the freezer. Add whatever amount you want. I didn't measure those. It's not a fourth of a cup. Probably about 2 tablespoons, just a handful of blueberries, whatever amount you want. And then I have a tablespoon of chia seeds, and I have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're not done yet. And now whatever amount of oats I put in there, I'll add roughly 2.5 parts of water. So that was half a cup of oats. This is about 1 1/3 cups of water. Now we're going to cook this. I'm turning it up on high. It doesn't take long to cook, but like I said, don't leave me yet because I'm not finished adding ingredients to this oatmeal. It does not take long to cook, especially with the chia seeds in there. It cooks pretty quickly. As you can see, this is starting to come to a boil now, and I don't really need to let it cook very long, just until it starts to thicken up, and it will continue to thicken as it sits, obviously from the chia seeds that are in there. I'm going to turn the heat off. I had it on close to high. Alright, I'm going to put this in a bowl, but we're not finished yet. I've got some more ingredients that I'm going to add to it. Alright, now to this, I'm going to sprinkle on 1 tablespoon of ground flax meal. And I have 1 medium-sized cut up apple. Now I know that looks like an awful lot of apple on there, but that's 1 apple. And you won't be able to see the oatmeal by the time I do this. Now, if you want to top this with a milk of your choice, you can top it with whatever milk you want. A lot of times I eat it just like that. Sometimes I'll put some oat milk on there. We usually have some of that around, but basically, there you go. This is my Powerhouse Breakfast. It looks like a lot of food, and in one way it is, and another way it's not. Now, if you're looking for a breakfast that's going to hold you for a while, give this one a try. I've got the recipe below and a printable one on my blog. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.